G'day, it's Rob here from North Coast Motor Classics. Today I've got a 1982 Kawasaki KZ1100 Spectre. Quite a rare bike, we never got these in Australia. This one's a pretty clean example. Runs like a gem. Let's put this down for a second. It's on 29,000 miles, got nice gauges, pretty much all original. It's got a couple of marks here on the tank, a bit of a dent and a couple of little scratches here, but otherwise the bike's really clean all over. Never been laid down, no broken fins or anything like that on the head. We've ultrasonic cleaned the carbs, put a new set of plugs in it. Nice clean solid pipes, all original pipes, no holes or repairs in them at all. All original airbag suspension on the back. Seat cover's got no tears in it at all. Okay, it's got the original toolkit here. Original little manual and everything there for it. Seat base is really nice and clean. All the wiring's original, airbox is all original. Cases and fins and everything like that are all done damaged and quite nice condition. No broken tabs or cracks in the side covers at all. Fitted new brake pads to it, front and back. No oil leaks, no fuel leaks at all. It's all over clean.